Hey guys, this is Shuman from ASA Technical. Today I am going to show you how to fix network error advanced file sharing problem in Windows 10 version 1809. First of all, this is a requested video and we also faced this problem after installing latest cumulative update of Windows 10. But don't worry, this is occurred because in Windows 10 after installing quality updates some features of advanced file sharing over a network have automatically changed to default. In order to fix this issue, you will need to manually turn on some features of network discovery options that we already showed up in detail on our previous video. For more information, see the video link given in the description below. After that, hopefully your problem will be solved. If not solved, then just follow me. At first, you must make sure that your both PC connected with the modern UTP Cat5e path card or better than it, like UTP Cat6 or UTP Cat7. I am using here UTP Cat6 path card. Note, please do not use old path card and make sure solid connection between both of your PC and make sure Ethernet connector cartridges are not damaged due to rough uses. After that, check once. Hopefully your problem will be solved. You are done. As you can see, it's working properly. If this occurred due to generic or outdated or due to corrupted PCIe GBE family controller driver software, then try to install latest version of PCIe GBE family controller driver for your device. After that, hopefully your problem will be solved. Now just follow me to do that. At first, open the browser and go to Realtek's official website. Next, go to Menu, then Product. Next, click on Communication Network ICS. Next, scroll down and go to Network Interface Controllers section. Next, click on 10 up to 1000 Mbps GB Ethernet. Next, click on PCI. Now select one of them. These both are fully compatible with Microsoft. You can read this general description and about its feature. Now scroll down and click on Software. Now just download this Windows 10 auto installation program. Now type your mail address to get the download link. Now check your mailbox and click on download link to get Realtek's latest Ethernet controller driver software. Now type this captcha and click on Go. Now just save your file. Now extract this .zip file. Next, open this folder that you got after extracted. Next, double click on this setup.executable file. Next, click on Run and then Yes. Now select Remove option for fresh and clean installation and then Next and Yes. Now click on Finish. Next, double click on this setup.executable file. Next, click on Run and then Yes. Click on Next and Next. Now click on Finish. Do the same installation procedure with another PC. After that, go to Control Panel.
Next, click on Network and Sharing Center.
Next, click on Change Adapter Settings. Next, right-click on Ethernet and then Properties. Next, select Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on Properties. Now configure the IP address by following me. For example, type your personal IP address 192.168.1.2. Next, hit on Tab and leave the subnet mask default. Next, hit on Tab and type default gateway address 192.168.1.3. Note, IP address and default gateway address must be different, as you can see. Now click on OK and then close. Next, you need to configure the IP address of your another PC. Now type the default gateway address of your first PC as IP address of your second PC, 192.168.1.3. Next, hit on Tab and leave the subnet mask default. Next, hit on Tab and type the IP address of your first PC as the default gateway address of your second PC, 192.168.1.2. Now click on OK and then close. Now just restart your both computers. After that, check once. Hopefully your problem will be solved. Yeah, done, as you can see. Now these both computers are ready to advanced file sharing between them. We hope you will like. Of course, let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.